In this video, we are going to learn about REALPHY, the reference sequence alignment-based phylogeny builder. REALPHY is a useful bioinformatics tool designed to construct phylogenetic trees directly from whole genome sequencing data. First, log into the website and provide your email address together with your project name. Select the Merge Reference Alignments option. Upload your genome FNA files. Click Start Upload. You will be informed via email once the job has completed. View and download the result from the email. Once the analysis is completed, the generated phylogenetic tree can be found in the results folder. You can also copy the content from the tree.txt file and analyze or visualize it using ITOL. You can further customize and polish the appearance of the phylogenetic tree in ITOL by adjusting the labels, colors, branch styles, annotations, and overall layout. Once you are satisfied with the visualization, you can export the tree as a high-quality image for publications, presentations, or reports. We will have a separate tutorial dedicated to ITOL in the future, where we will explore its visualization and annotation features in more detail. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions or inquiries, drop us a message in the comments below. We'll be happy to help and respond as best as we can.